back to my channel. Sorry, I'm really thirsty. Anyways, welcome back to my channel. I'm really excited to get started with this video today, so let's get started. I don't know what that was about. Anyways, when I do these videos, guys, when I like have a full face of makeup on, I'm literally coming from work, so I'm just trying to like keep myself from falling asleep. No, actually recording gives me energy, but it takes like the first 2 seconds of doing the intro and I'm like, okay, I'm ready. Anyways, that's enough about me. Back to the video. I'm really excited for this video, you guys, because it literally took me 3 hours to do all. There's like literally somebody coughing and I could hear them in my apartment. Creepy. So somebody had requested that I do like a video of like me meal prepping for the week, and I normally never meal prep, but since we started the challenge on Sunday, I was like, let me just meal prep, because I was like, I feel like if I meal prep, I know exactly what I'm eating and I'll be able to stick to it. And I have been doing that. Today is Thursday, and this morning I weighed myself, y'all. I was already down 8 pounds. Exactly, like psychotic, right? But like I had told y'all on Sunday, I ate so bad the week of the week that the challenge was about to start, so it was all water weight. So because I had gained, like, when I skipped on the scale on Sunday to start the thing, I had already gained like 3 pounds, I think. So I've lost 8. It's water weight, y'all, so I don't even think anything to it. I'm trying to pull up. I got a new scale, so I have a new app that I use, and trying to show y'all some receipts. You can't really see it. You can see the 8 right there a little bit. But anyways, on Sunday when we do the official weigh-in, hopefully I'm still down 8. It probably won't be, so it's that time of the month and a whole other things. But not a whole nother other things. A whole nother other thing, that's not even a word. But no, it's just that time of the month. But also, I think that I'm like, my body's gonna get rid of the water. I don't know how the water weight works. Anyway, let me just shut up because I'm about to sound real foolish. So yes. Anyways, I decided to meal prep for the week, and it's gonna be 3 hours because I cooked everything. I just did lunch and snack, just the stuff I was gonna have at work. When I get home is easier for me to manage, because knowing when I get home from work, I come home, change, go straight to boxing class, and then when I come home, I just have like something that I can put in the air fryer. So dinner is fine. It's normally like being at work and just like snacking, or like just not preparing my lunch so I don't have to go get food. So I was like, I'm gonna meal prep. So that took me 3 hours to do. When y'all see what I have, y'all gonna be like, girl, there's no way that took you 3 hours, but it did. And then I literally went and did all the macros for the food. So I did the calorie count, the fat percentages, the carbs, everything. And one thing that really helped me, y'all, is I got this awesome food scale in the mail from this company called, I don't know how to say this, I'm even gonna try to say it. It's Etekcity, Etekcity, I don't know. But it's this really cool food scale, right? But it's Bluetooth enabled. It has an app, and like it literally does everything for you. I'm gonna show y'all real fast, but y'all know, I think 2 weeks ago I did a video and I said I was like weighing my food. So I was using this scale that I had got from H-E-B. Y'all know I love H-E-B. This scale is still good too. If you on a budget, shoot. I think this was $15. I think this one cost, honestly, I don't know. I think it cost $20, maybe $30. But I'm gonna put the link. It's on Amazon. Ooh, I should probably know the price, but I don't know. But this, I would say save your money on this one and get this scale, only because, and y'all know I keep it real, I would not, like, literally, I don't care if the video is sponsored. I don't care if somebody says something. If you send me something to review, I'm gonna tell you the truth on it. If it's a waste of time, a waste of money, I'm not about to lie to my followers. Like, that's stupid. But anyways, this is definitely not a waste of money. So it's really cool because whatever you put on here literally shows up on this app, right? So they have an app that goes into it. So say for instance, I'm cooking chicken, right? So you go in and put chicken in the app. I know y'all can't really see it, the app, very well. So you go in and put chicken on the app, right? And so right now it's saying I have 535 grams of chicken on my scale because I have something on it. I put my hand on it, right? And so it literally calculates it for you. So let's see, can we get to do it again? It has to be on a flat surface. See, it's saying air. Okay, so it's saying I have 3,000 grams of chicken on here, right? So it's calculating the calories, right? But it calculates the protein, the fat, and the carbs. So I don't have to do that. Normally when I use my scale, and the other cool thing is it literally shows up right here. Ugh, I wish y'all could see, like, it's the glare. You can't, oh, you can kind of see right there. You see how it literally shows up right there? So you put it in on the on the app, you put in what you're trying to weigh, the food, fruit, anything, and it shows on here. And it literally shows all the nutritional facts, like legit cool. And then it has this really cool function called TART. So like, say I wanted to measure this, right? I put it on here in the actual glass, and then I press the T, and so it takes away the pounds of the glass, and it just literally weighs the food. Or you have to put the glass empty first, and then you put the liquid in, or whatever you want to measure. If you don't want to like take it out, it's messy, boom, do that. And it really helped me because it literally tells me the calories, everything, and I could put in, it measures the exact grams, or you could do, let's see what units it has, grams, milliliters, ounces, grams, milliliters, and ounces. It measures it. So when I was doing this with the other one, with this one, like, it's a little harder because if I put something on here, I have to go by the nutritional facts on the actual package that I have. So if it says, for example, chicken, normally it's 4 ounces, is like 120 calories, right? But this only does like, it only tells me the ounces, so I have to figure out the math myself. But on this one, I literally just put it on there and it does all the math for me. So this, I'm glad I had this because I had to do it with that one, my meal prep. It probably would have took me so long. Like, anyways, but let's get into the actual point of this video. The scale is awesome. You should definitely purchase that. I'll put the link below, but that was a lifesaver. Like, and it's so crazy to me because literally I just talked to y'all about this scale when I got from HEB, right? Like 2 weeks ago. And then before this company even reached out to me, I was already on Amazon looking to buy like a digital scale like that shows you everything because it's so much easier, and they reached out to me. So the Lord works in mysterious ways. He knows what you want before you even say it. He'd be like, girl, I got you, I got you. I'm like, thank you, Gita. So anyways, yes, I'm really excited about that. But anyways, let's get into the workout of the week. I wish. No, my meal prep. So this week I did salads. I did this salad. So okay, Monday and Tuesday I just did the salad with just the lettuce. Oh, this salad doesn't have it. So I did just the salad with the lettuce and chicken. The salad with lettuce and chicken, girl, that is a salad. So I did a chicken salad. So literally it's just the lettuce and the chicken. And so that by itself was 175 calories, 4.3 carbs. So that would be my lunch, right? And that includes having 3 tablespoons of, this is the Olive Garden Italian dressing. They sell it at HEB. So freaking good. Like, no matter what protein you put on your salad, what toppings you put on it, it goes with everything. So I do that, the salad, and the pistachios for lunch. Boom. And these pistachios, what is it? It's 170 calories for 1/4 cup, like without the shells, and then 14 grams of fat, 7 carbs, 4 net carbs. So 7 total carbs with 4 net carbs, because if you're on keto, you know that you subtract the fiber from the carbs if you want to. I like to do that, but it's up to you. So yes, did that. So that's lunch. But Monday and Tuesday after I ate lunch, I was really hungry, so I was like, maybe I need to add some more fat to my salad. So I added yesterday, that was Wednesday, I added half an avocado and I put some just Parmesan cheese on it. It's really good, y'all. It was really good. So all together, I literally did all the math. I have like, I'm trying not to let y'all see my bottom half because I'm not dressed appropriately. Work on the top, party on the bottom. No, I'm like, whoa. Anyway, so I did these for all the lunches. So I have 5 of these. These are the 3 that I already ate. But it literally has the total amount for lunch. So for this lunch, it would be, and everyone's different, right? Because I used the new scale. So it literally measured the grams for each salad rather than me just trying to do like 4 grams. It just measured the total. So I have different calorie counts for each salad. So that's why I have a pink one for each one. But so for this one, the salad plus the pistachios together was 345 calories, and then it was 8.3 carbs, which is really, really good. So that's my lunch. That's what I've been eating every day for my lunch. Drinking these. I've been trying to drink. I drink 3 at work. So when I wake up in the morning, I drink 1 before I leave the house. And then at work, my ear's itching, sorry. At work, I try to drink 3. Sometimes I just get to 2 because sometimes I don't be feeling like peeing like that at work, but it just depends. So anyways, we do that. That's lunch. And then I give myself a snack that I can have at lunch. So I normally fast from 8 to 12, right? But this week I've been getting I've been literally like doing everything earlier. So I've been eating before, like I finished eating before 7:30. So I've been ending my fast at like 11:30, which is better. So by the time I eat at 12, I'm normally hungry again by like 2 or 3ish, and I get off work at 4 and I go straight to the gym. So I like to eat my snack at least an hour before I leave, so I have like energy for the gym. But if I come home, I look so whitewashed, but if I come home and I'm like really hungry, I'll just eat a pickle, because pickles don't have any calories and no carbs. So it's a good little snack tip if you ever get hungry and you got no more calories left. Get you some pickles, drink some pickle juice, whatever. So this is my snack. It's turkey with cheese cubes. The cheese cubes are from HEB. Why is this cheese cube looking like it has some mold on it? I don't know what that is, but I don't think I'm gonna eat this one. That's scary. I don't know, I literally just brought this on Sunday. That was weird. Anyways, that has me real thrown off. I don't know what that was. Yikes. Anyway, it's turkey and cheese cubes. So the turkey, I have all the stuff broken down. The turkey is 70 calories and it's 4 pieces. It's the HB Applewood turkey. It's in the deli section. Not the deli section, yeah, where this like sandwich meat is. It's the HB brand. So freaking delicious. And that has 70 calories, 2 grams of fat, 1 carb, 12 grams of protein. And then the cheese cubes, they come from HEB too. They're the HEB cheese cubes. I like to get the pepper jack cheese and the medium cheddar. So this is the salad dressing I was talking about. It's the Olive Garden salad dressing you get from HEB. So delicious. These are the cheese cubes, and this is the turkey. That's snack. So I do that. Altogether, that's 170 calories, right? Because the cheese cubes are 100 calories, 0 carbs. Oh, it has 1 carb. And then the turkey, 70 calories. And then my final snack that I have is this chicken salad that I've been making lately. And it looks so good, right? It's so delicious. It's just chicken salad. It's like the chicken from a chicken in a can, and that has 60 calories in it. And then I just put 1 tablespoon of mayo, and 1 tablespoon of mayo is like 50 calories, 1 carb. Really good. And I use the it's the olive oil mayo. Let me show you this one. It's the olive oil one by Kraft's. It's really good. I like mayonnaise. My boyfriend thinks that I'm weird because I like mayonnaise. I put mayonnaise on. Anyways, never mind. Let's not get into that. But he thinks it's weird. I love mayonnaise. What time are you going in today? Who is this? I don't know who that is. That kind of threw me off. So, anyways, let me just finish focusing on this video. Wow, I really just got thrown off really fast. Oh, the chicken salad. So yes, I do this. I do 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise, and then I do just salt and pepper, and then I got the everything but bagel seasoning. I got that on Sunday. I tried that. It's actually really good. I put that on there, and then the toppings, it's just it's by Fresh Garden. It's nut. I don't know what type of nuts these are, but it has some cranberries, but it's really low carb, so that's why I ended up getting it, because I'm like, I need that. So all together, guys, let me just tell y'all, all together with my lunch and my snacks my lunch and my snack, it's a total of 675 calories and 13.3 carbs. And remember, I told y'all that I had did my macros for this 10-week challenge, right? And so it says I'm supposed to have 1,207 calories in a day. So just with lunch and snack, I had 675, and then I normally just have some type of like protein for dinner. And I've been using my MyFitnessPal. If you follow me if you're friends with me on my MyFitnessPal, you know that I'm not consistent, but I've been using it consistently this week. So I can give y'all like a total estimate of how much I'm eating in a day. It should let me diary. Okay, let me start on Monday. Straight Monday. So Monday, my total calories was 1,777, and I'm supposed to have 1,207. Pretty decent. And that was with, I had tea that morning, so that's added in there, and I had a steak for dinner. But with my lunch and the snack and the steak that I had, it was 1,077 calories, and then I worked out, so it like subtracts that too. And then Tuesday, I was 1,279. I actually went over, yes, Tuesday. But I had the same thing for lunch, and then I had these like salmon fiesta patties from HEB, and I ate 2 of them instead of 1. I was super hungry, and some asparagus, but I didn't really eat the asparagus. And yesterday my calorie count was 1,012, and I had the salad and, you know, the basic stuff I just showed you that I meal prepped. And then I had, for dinner, I had 2 eggs, these turkey sausage patties, 2 of those, and half of an avocado. And so that was 390 calories for dinner. So altogether I had 1,112. So that's been what I've had so far. Today is Thursday. I had one of the attorneys wanted to take me out for lunch, so I went to this Indian place, but the good thing was it was all vegan, all vegetarian, so I didn't have any meat. But I did have, like, you know, the like naan, I did have that, and I was just like, ugh. But I'm literally about to go work out. I'm gonna like do an extra 30 minutes because like I'm like, no, I literally just stepped on the scale this morning. I was like down 8 pounds. I'm like, I'm probably gonna be up 39 in the morning, so kind of stressed about that. But I'm still kind of like trying to figure out how to, like, you know, like actually working and like working while being on a diet is really hard, because like my job, they always have food, you know, and so I just have to just tell myself like, no stress, it's fine, don't get it. And I have my stuff with me, but today it was different. I'm like, I have my salad, but I can't tell the attorney no. So I went and I just tried to like just make sure that I probably shouldn't have got the bread. It came with it. I probably shouldn't have ate it, but with Indian food, they literally use the naan for everything. Anyways, it doesn't matter. I shouldn't have did that. I should have been like, no, I'll just eat the sides myself. But I did that, and yes. So all together, guys, that was my meal prep. I hope it helped. Please let me know, like, if somebody asked me to do this video, so let me know if this is what you meant, or do you actually want to see me actually cook the food, or what? I don't know. If you want to see how I actually prepare it, let me know. But this is what I thought of when you said meal prep. So sorry if it didn't help, but this scale actually helps a lot. So definitely look for this, and I'll tag it below. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye.